Okay, let's talk about turning your calendar into a straight-up marketing engine. Seriously.
You know the drill, right? Sharing events links, chasing down RSVPs, it's a total headache. All that manual work? It's messy, and it keeps you from focusing on the actual event.
But what if you could do it all? Way simpler, right from the calendar you already use.
And this is it. Meet Calendar Snack. It automatically creates this awesome landing page for your events. The real magic? It works with the Google or Outlook calendar you're already using every single day.
So how does this whole thing work? It's actually crazy simple, just 2 steps.
Okay, first, you just create your event like you always do. Then invite this one special address.
And that's it. In about a minute, boom, you get an email with all your links.
And for your attendees, the experience is super clean. They just pop in their email to see everything. No long forms, no complicated signups. They just find an event and click one button.
And the invite goes straight to their email and their calendar, so you know they got it.
Okay, but what if things change? We all know events can be unpredictable, right?
It's so easy. Just edit or delete the event in your calendar, and everyone gets notified automatically.
Now this is where it gets really cool. Let's talk about the data you get back.
This is your command center. Your reporting page gives you that high-level view of what's working.
You can instantly see key stats, like your overall RSVP rate across all of your events.
And you can see a quick breakdown of who's responded versus who hasn't yet.
And if you want to get granular, you can drill down into any specific event for more detail.
But what about your whole team? Yep, this is built to scale for your entire organization.
It works with 2 simple roles. Organizers create events, and domain owners see everything.
So each organizer gets their own dashboard, tracking their own events and their own stats.
And the domain owner? They get the 30,000-foot view with all that data in one place.
So your calendar is no longer just a passive tool. It's now your active marketing engine.
So you save a ton of time, you get amazing data, and you can focus on awesome events.